Hello students, good morning everyone. Standard 2nd, subject Marigold. Textbook. Unit 7, page number 111. In our last video, we have completed Unit 6 in textbook and workbook also. Now today we are going to start our Unit 7. So here a story given, make it shorter. This story about Akbar and Birbal. So this story is about an incident that took place in the Akbar's court. One day Akbar decided to test the intelligence of his ministers. He draws one line and urges all of them to make the line shorter without rubbing or touching it. After thinking a lot, all them were unable to make that line shorter. At last, Birbal draws a second line a little longer under that line. By doing this, he solves out the puzzle and makes the line shorter without rubbing or touching it. So let's see the story. One day, Akbar drew a line on the floor and ordered, "Make this line shorter but don't rub out any part of it." As you can see in this picture, Akbar has drawn a line on the floor and he ordered her courtiers to make this line shorter, but they can't touch and rub it. So let's see what happening next. No one knew what to do. Each minister looked at the line and was puzzled. No one could think of any way to make it longer. No one could think of how it could be made shorter without erasing it. Birbal started smiling. When it was his turn, he went near the line. Then Birbal drew a longer line under the first one. He did not touch the first line. Everyone in the court saw what he drew and said, "That's true. The first line is shorter now." Okay, now here are some new words: order, rub, puzzle, erase, and quote. Order, rub, puzzle, erase, and quote. Okay, now next activity is reading is fun. What did Akbar order one day? So answer is one day Akbar drew one line on the floor and ordered his ministers to make that line shorter without touching and rubbing any part of it. Second one, what did each minister do? So answer is each minister kept thinking but could not succeed. Third one, how did Birbal make the line shorter? So Birbal drew a second line a bit longer under the line. By doing that, the first line became shorter. Okay, now say aloud which letters cannot be heard when we say these words: short, shorter, bright, brighter, dark, darker, light, lighter, big, bigger, fast and faster. Again, short, shorter, bright, brighter, dark, darker, light, lighter, big, bigger, fast, faster. Okay, now team time. Discuss with your partner and draw pictures to show the following. Here some sentence given. We have to draw here a picture according to these sentences. Okay. So first one is the ball on the left side is bigger than the one on the right. That means in left side we have to make bigger ball. So here you have to draw it properly. I am doing just roughly. So here the ball on the left side is bigger than the one on the right side. Now Rita is shorter than Radha. So here you have to make shorter the here side and this side bigger and this side short. Okay. Third one, Raghu's basket is heavier than Ratan's. So here you have to make, just I'm drawing. So here Raghu's basket is heavier than Ratan. So here this basket is heavier and this heavy. Then this side, Rajat is taller than Raj. So here you have to make Rajat speaks taller, and then this Raj speaks are tall. Okay. Okay, now here again story given, picture story, the mouse and the pencil. So let's read. One day a little mouse was looking for something to eat. He found a pencil. I am going to bite you, said the mouse, and he bit it hard. You are hurting me, said the pencil. Let me draw you one last picture and then you can do what you like. Very well, said the mouse. Then the pencil drew a bit circle. Is that a cheese? Asked the mouse. We will call it a cheese, said the pencil, and it drew three little circles inside the big one. As you can see in this picture, first, second, and three circles. That's an apple, squished the mouse. Let's call it an apple, said the pencil, and it began drawing some funny curved things near the second circle. Why those are cucumbers, said the mouse, licking his lips. I wish you'd hurry. I simply can't wait to get my teeth into them. The pencil drew two little triangles on the top circle. Oh, squeaked the mouse. Now you had made it like a kid. Don't go on. But the pencil went on till it had drawn long whiskers and a mouth on the top circle, and the mouse cried out in terror, "It's a real cat, help! Now see if you can draw a cat that looks real enough to frighten it away the mice." Now this story you have to read also, okay? Okay, now describe the cat in your own words. So here, after reading this story, you have to describe this cat on your words. Okay, so I have written here. So the cat is of white color. She is very fat. She looks very active. She has a cute looking face with 4 whiskers. It has 4 legs. It has a long tail. So here you can write your own word also. Okay, and last, let's practice. Here a sentence given that we have to write. I'm showing you first one also. A cat on the mat. So a cat on the mat. Now these 3 lines you have to complete it in your textbook. Okay, thank you.